Hello everybody, this is Robert again with more Revit Training. Today we're going to look at creating an in-place mass. Um, and we're going to use these mass forms to create a conceptual model. So this will be several parts to this video, but let's just begin here. First of all, we want to go to the site view, and these are just model lines sketched in. We got this from a Moss textbook. And so what first thing we want to do is go to the site plan, and we have these building plans. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go into the site plan as we are, go to your mass and siting tab, select in-place mass. Okay, we'll just click OK here. Revit has enabled the show mask mode so that its new created mask will be visible. Click close. First thing you want to do for the first mask, we want to call this building 1. Click OK. So, once we selected building 1, we want to go to the pick line tool and select each of these lines in this first building plan. We pick all the lines that we need to make sure none overlaps. Let's see, we got one that overlap there. I'll just undo that back. Okay, then once we've done that, we want to go to the 3D view. Not this 3D view. We want to go to the 3D view in the project browser. I don't know why it does that. So we have all of our lines picked. No lines are overlapping. So we want to select our lines that we selected. We want to go to the Create Form tab and we want to select Create Solid Form. Now, once the solid form is created, there's a default of 40 feet, but what I want to do is I want to take you over here to the east elevation, and there's our form. So now, from this view, say we want to adjust the height. We want to make this building height 70 feet, and 70, press enter, and there the height changes. Okay, so we will go back to the 3D view. And once we've got our height selected and everything here, we'll go click Finish Mask. And there's our first building. So this is a nice little repetitious exercise. So again, we go back to the site. And we want to go to Siting Masking panel here. In Place Mask. This will be our building 2. Click OK. And here, we can use the rectangular drawing tool from the draw panel and just go there to that corner. And we'll switch back to the 3D view. And then we'll select the sketch, create solid form, and there you have it. Now in this one, we're going to do this in the 3D view. We'll just drag the blue directional arrow up. We want to go up to the same height. And you'll see this alignment line, and it's at 70. So once that's done, we'll select finish. And there's our 2 buildings coming into shape. Again, go back to the site plan. Now this building will be a little different. We're going to add a void into this one. So we'll go to Siting Masking once again. In Place Mask. This will be our building, this is 2, we're on building 3 right now. Yes, this will be building 3. 3. Click OK. And with the pick line tool, we'll start picking lines. Let's start here. Pick all the lines, okay? There, including the inner lines. I think we started here, yep. Now let's go to the 3D view. Okay, we got them all, great. So now we'll select the shapes. And we can select the outer shape. And then we'll go back to create solid form. And this height we'll make it, let's say 82 feet. Oops, don't do that. Have to be very careful about, I want to change that height, that dimension to 82. And then we have our height. Now, to create the void form, it's the same process, but this time we'll void form here. And we'll drag this blue arrow up. And it should align, yep, it aligns, and there's our void form there. Once that's done, we'll click Finish Sketch. So now we got our buildings, our little buildings coming into play. Now, let's go into building 4 from the site plan again. I mean, you have to do all your sketches from the site. Now here, we're going to go into site and massing, in place mass. This is building 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This will be building 4. Click OK. Now, this time we're going to go in and select pick line 2 once again from the draw panel. And we'll go around and click these lines. We'll start here and just go around, pick line, pick all the lines. Now right here, we want to go into the modified panel and just trim that back. Return to the pick line. Pick this line. And we'll go all the way around back to where we started. And then we'll go finish. Then we'll go into the 3D view from the project browser. And there's our form. We'll select it, create mass solid form, and here we'll make this height. Let's make this height 94 feet. And click OK. There you have it. We've got 3 solid mass forms. And what's happening here is this is a good way of creating, large objects that they can be converted into actual buildings. Now let's go back to the site again and try to do another type of instance of a way of creating mass forms. So we'll go back to site. Oh, sorry, we got to go back to 3D view and finish that. We want to finish that. Okay, that's done. Go back into the site plan now. And we want to trace the 3 towers. This is another, I'm trying to show you all the different instances you can use in creating mass forms. Now we're going to grab 3 of these guys at once. So let's go site and massing, in place mass. This will be towers. Click OK. Now let's go and grab the triangle tool. We'll go here. We'll select this triangle. This triangle. And this looks like a square, maybe not. And then there we want to go into the 3D view once again. It's a bit repetitious, but it's good. You can learn it faster that way. So now what we'll do is we'll select this tower and we'll go create solid form. We'll give this a height of, let's make this 100. So you can go right here and put 100. And then we'll create the next solid form. Create solid. Make this 100 as well. Or let's just use the directional arrows. The blue goes straight up. That line's right there. It's 94. It's aligning with the building. Let's take it up to the tower. 100. And then we'll grab this guy. And we'll also create solid form and go up to 100. So I'm going to go pick the finish. And there you have solid forms using site masking tools on the site masking on the site masking ribbon. This is a nice, easy way to create forms and, create sites and massive building areas. So anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks again and see you next time. We'll probably look at editing site forms, editing mass forms later on. Thank you and have a good day.